The MRI has shown that meditation can change the anatomical structure of your brain. In one study, a team led by Britta Holzel recruited a group of 17 people who had signed up for a meditation course. As a control, they recruited 17 others who did not participate in the course. Before the course started, all the participants visited an MRI facility, where the researchers conducted a high-resolution scan of each participant's brain anatomy. The meditation participants then took their meditation course. Over the 8-week course, the participants reported engaging in about 23 hours of meditation practice. After this period, the researchers found increases in the gray matter concentration in several areas of the brain. The left hippocampus showed a clear effect, as did the posterior cingulate cortex, the left temporoparietal junction, and the cerebellum. The brain is made up of gray matter and white matter. The white matter consists primarily of myelin, a fatty substance that coats the axon part of neurons. The white matter enhances the efficiency and speed of neuronal communication. The gray matter of the brain is everything else: dendrites, cell bodies, and axons. Therefore, if your brain has more gray matter, it has more neurons. According to the Holzel study, meditation practice caused the brains of those meditating to produce more neurons and to retain more of them over time.